loves. Okie dokie. I'm doing something a little bit different. What I thought I would do is I've got 2 videos filmed of just doing one single design, and it could be that you're doing a quick salon set and you just want an accent nail or something different, or you just want to nail a particular style. So I thought I'd do this. I hope it's okay. Let me know. Monomer's been in the fridge. Woohoo! Okay, so I'm using from Smileys glitter store fairy dust, which is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to put the link because Sarah's so lovely. I'm going to put the link to everything in the description box below. This is fairy dust. Oh, I've had these for years, and this is my favourite. This is Snow Angel, and as she said, it's still really popular. I'm using Glam and Glits Kaylah, and obviously the Glitterbels system as my core system. So I'm going in with Kaylah at the free edge. Well, tip, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. And blending it back up towards the cuticle. My puppy dog just wants to come in and see what mummy's doing. Hello, mister. Keeping it nice and wet, which is great because that's how Glam and Glitz likes to work. And in this weather, extremely humid and hot, then it works really well. Someone said to me the other day, why do you just not use your Glam and Glitz instead of your CJP? And I'm like, oh yes. I prefer Glam and Glitz anyway, because I'm a wet worker. And then I'm just going in with a couple of small beads just to kind of take that feathering a little bit back up and intensify the colour as it goes down the nail. Sorry about that bit chunk of like watermelon you can see under, not watermelon the food, but CJP watermelon you can see under my nail. I didn't realise till afterwards, and I was like, oh, just leave it. So I'm literally just adding little bits. The thing I like about Glam and Glitz is you can add to it, you can intensify the colour, and it doesn't cause any problems. It blends beautifully like silk. I absolutely love this system. Same as Glitterbels. I'm then going to go in, speaking of Glitterbels, with pink opal shimmer. I think I was trying to get it in shot here to show you. I was like, oh no, not this way, not going to work. Oh yeah, no, that way. Pink opal shimmer is a stunning nail bed colour. It's a soft pink. It's got this beautiful shimmer running through it. It's wonderful to work with. It's not particularly fussy system, so you can work however you feel comfortable. It doesn't have to be wet or dry. It's like a medium system. It just works really well. So I'm going to place that bead down kind of a third of the way down the nail because I want to get that blend in first. And I'm just going to pat and pull that bead down until I'm happy with the blend. Keeping my brush kind of soft and then cleaning it off. And then I've got the blend that I want. Now I've got the blend, I can go in with my cuticle bead of pink opal shimmer. You see those shimmery pieces, they're almost like goldy coloured. They're beautiful. They're like a pinky goldy shimmer. Oh, so good. I'm just going to tuck that in around the cuticle. My friends that use the pinched flatter brushes, this is a round, so they're the ovals. So I'm just blending that bead back into the bead I placed first. Do you find it's easier to get around the cuticle with an oval brush? Answers in the boxes below. Okay, so I'm going in with Snow Angel. Sorry Sarah if you're watching. And I'm just tapping that into the wet acrylic. Now because this is a mix with chunky hexes and even small fine pieces, you can really play with it and take individual pieces out to emphasize certain areas, and it's very easy to control where it goes. I'm then going to go in after that with the fairy dust. The fairy dust has loads of stuff in it. It has from a super fine silver holographic to holographic chunky circles, stars. It's got blues, purples, pinks, whites. It's everything. It's everything that should be in fairy dust. It's super beautiful. And I was like, God, I hope I can do it justice because it's such a pretty glitter. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Now I leave that to set for a couple of minutes And then I'm going to go in and I'm just going to use my damp brush and stroke that across the nail before I cap, all around the glitters, because I want the clear acrylic to get right in there with no air bubbles and no particles. I'm then going to go in with Glitterbels glass slippers, quite wet, because I really want to get in around that glitter. It doesn't really move anywhere unless you have it so wet that it's falling off the nail. It's a very simple system to use. Tucking it in around the cuticle, making sure I cover those glitter particles. I will go back in and check if not. And then I'm literally going to drag it down the nail gently. It was setting quite fast. It was a very hot day, but it coped really well. Going in with my second bead at the tip and then blending it back up. Always thinking about the shape I want at the end as well. So if I see something like that where it's coming out, I'm going to blend that back in. I'm not going to leave it because that's going to cause you a lot more filing. So it's thinking about the shape you want at the end, and if the nail looks as close to that shape as possible, then your finished filing is not going to break your arm. I'm going in now with what would be my apex bead if this was a real person. Tucking it in at both sides, and then working it down now, letting gravity do the work with me. And then I'll keep checking from the side profile to make sure I've got the shape I want. Once I've got the shape I want, then I can leave it to set. Okay, so now I've just finished filed it off camera because it's easier, because the tips do fall out of this flexi finger. Oh, I'm using Felicia the flexi finger. I'm going in then with tack free top gloss from CJP. It's so shiny. Oh my god, like never. So shiny, seriously. The glare, these glitters are so holographic that when the light was hitting them with this top coat, it was glaring back. I had, like, trying to take photos was hilarious. I kept getting this glare back. It was hilarious. Look at that. What? I'm going to kill that for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. This is under natural light, no sunlight coming, it's just like natural light in the room. And then I also took a shot, which I'll show you at the end. Let me know if you like this kind of video or if you prefer the full set longer videos. I want to do what you guys want to watch. So let me know and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!